Hi everyone. I'm going to show you real quick how you can look at a Revit file inside of Masterworks. So once you've uploaded the Revit file into your documents, this one's not uploaded in the right spot, but point still stands. Once it's uploaded and it says ready right here, you can just double click it and it will take you into the viewer API. And what you should see right when you open it is some kind of 3D representation. If you see nothing here, or just like two little lines or a couple little lines that say like first floor, second floor, and then there's nothing else here, then what you have is a Revit file that wasn't properly sent to you, and you should reach out to BDMC and ask them what's missing from the file, and they can help you with what you need to request from your AE. But as you're in this viewer, you can hold down Shift and your center wheel button and spin around. You can zoom in and out with your wheel button. You can also use this little square up here to twist around if you want to look at things. What's two things are important here. One, that you're going to see something in 3D here that's related to your project. Two, you're going to come down here, and on the bottom there's this little thing, looks like a folder, called Document Browser. You can click on that. That's going to open up here. I prefer to go to the thumbnail view, and you're going to see all of the document sheets that are in the Revit model. Revit models contain all of their construction sheets and everything inside them. So any one of these, you can go, let's just go to the first floor plan and click on it. And this is what the first floor plan sheet looks like. I do want you to keep in mind, notice something doesn't look right here. This is there's likely nothing actually wrong right here with the file. This is a Masterworks issue. As you've probably noticed before, sometimes when things are highlighted on PDFs, they don't exactly line up when we're viewing them inside Masterworks. So if you see things that are like lapping over the top of each other, stuff like that, I wouldn't worry about it as much. But what you should be just looking for before you're turning in your closeout or submitting this to BDMC is that there are actual documents in here, and they look like what we're supposed to have. Obviously, this is a floor plan for the library, right? You know, I don't think that they did any ceiling work on these, but there's ceiling plans and roof plans here. So that can happen in Revit. A lot of firms like to just use a template and they forget to erase their sheets, but like as the project manager, you will know if roof work was done. So if there was work on the roof and you went here and this roof plan is empty, then hey, something's not right. So that's either a conversation you can have with BDMC, or you can talk to uh, your AE. You also want to be careful because there are some, like this is a working view. Notice how it does not have uh, the title block from the county. We're not worried about this so much. We're worried about the ones that are actual sheets that have our numbers down here at the bottom. So anyway, that's how you can look through a Revit file and look through sheets. Let me show you, as long as I've got you here, show you some quick tools just so you're able to look at this on your own. this is a section analysis. So if there was a whole actual building model here, you can do different cut throughs, and it's pretty simple to use. It's kind of really easy. You just grab the arrow and pull it through, and it'll cut it in half. And then when you're done with that, you just click it back off. You can also do it with a box, and you do the arrows where you want to go, right? It's a little sensitive there. I'm going to pull this out. So this is helpful if you want to see when you have a lot of stuff together, if you want to break down to a certain area and see if something's got done or if something's right. That's a great way to do that. Should you happen to need to measure something, you absolutely can measure things anywhere. It's a little tricky in 3D. Know what your symbols are. That means you've hit an edge or a corner right there. I just grabbed nothing here, so this isn't really going to be an accurate measurement. But if we go, say, from here, which we know is the corner, to there, we know that that's 3 feet wide, right? And those will come back up if you click on there. And it tells you that your z-axis is maybe about 2 inches out. But if you're looking for just some rough measurements or something, you can totally do that as well. There's some different camera stuff here that you can use. There's also this first person mode that has instructions, and you can use your keyboard controls if any of you play video games. It's WASD to move around, but you can literally walk through the building and do stuff. So can move all around however you want and go from there. So there's that. I don't know why the oh, because I didn't click done. The measurement tool doesn't want to turn off until you click done. And then few more little things. Sorry, this video is going to get a little long. I'll try to keep it under 10 minutes because this stuff is important. This explode view will actually explode all your pieces out. And say if one of these things was a piece of equipment that you wanted to know about, and you wanted to see if they put the right information in, you could then go and select the thing right here, the properties button. This brings up, this is the properties of the actual table. As you can see, it's named table, right? First floor, 0 elevation, tells you the hosting. So if this were a piece of equipment, it could tell you a lot more about it. If it was electrical equipment, it tell you what circuit it's on, all these other things. Lots of things you can use here. There's also this model browser. If you like, you can go in and this will actually show you all the items in the model. If you click on just what you want to see, it'll kind of, you can turn on and off the visibility of things. So if I just wanted to see the tables in there, there's where all my tables are, and so on and so forth. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys the quick and dirty of how to look at a Revit model inside Masterworks, so you don't actually have to learn how to use Revit to be able to actually look at Revit models. If you do have questions, you can always ask BDMC. or reach out to them at fpm.bdmc at maltco.us or chat us. Thanks for watching.